All right. Type sick because I just recorded this. But I'm going to do a market review for 23rd, 2024. It's kind of my first market review slash trade review that I want to contribute to the Discord and also serve as like the start of my own personal channel and endeavors in recording my trading journey. So yeah, let's get right into it. Hopefully everything works this time. So go ahead and start over. Essentially, what I was saying is that I usually start on a higher time frame. I begin on the daily just to get where the levels of liquidity may be. So I noticed we have high here, and this was the low that I was comparing. Then I hopped onto. I got another area of liquidity that I wanted to see price track to or navigate towards. But going from the daily to the 4 hour kind of cleared up the picture for me as far as what was going on, and then the levels of liquidity kind of stayed the same for me. Still eyeing the 260 level and this 558 level, 556 ish, quite sure, 558, yeah. So those were the two areas of liquidity that I was eyeing for the most part. Hopping down onto the 1 hour. This is where I like to draw my zones from for the trades that I'm attempting to take. Um, Way that I trade is I'm looking for a retracement into a zone in which last protected low that created the protected high has been closed below. And so from that, got the point 0.5, point 0.7, point 0.8 areas which I draw off of, drew them out with line. Then I deleted them so I would know where they are, labeled them as well. So that's how I got the areas that I was looking to trade off of. From there, I split my screen. I do the 15 on the right, and then I like left time from just going back a little bit. My point kind of still stood that if it violated this zone that I was hoping to see a reaction from, I would think that it would be able to take price all the way up to the 260 level. Um, what I saw was that the point 0.5 was already mitigated, and then traded away but quickly came back. So I thought that it would retrace deeper into the point 0.7, point 0.8 before we got a reaction. That's exactly what happened. But I traded pre New York session just because I was like, gosh, hit my level, you know, got excited, started entering trades, got packed up. Full transparency, my current goal is to get 550K accounts with Top Step. Then once I pass them, activate them 100 a day so that bringing in trading conservatively with accounts, Top Step X copy trader. So full transparency, I had one account that I was trading from last week. I was up 1K. The goal was to do today. However, facing got packed up, blew that account. Full transparency, bought another one today. Um, so after I had blew my account in this area, yeah, over here on the 1 minute, just geeking. I was geeking, and as soon as I hit the level, I'm entering trades, not following the system. Backed up. Fast forward, I opened the charts up a little late. So these are my successful trades for the day. What I did notice after I opened up the charts after going to sleep is that price came down to the point 0.7, point 0.8 of the opposite direction that we were aiming. Got the trade away from it, which is great for our system, what we love to see. From there, I was just looking for it to go a little bit deeper into this retracement. Um, and then basically once that happened, I dropped down a minute here. This is what I saw. I like to trade again the retracements of zones and triads. In another video, I will explain what a triad is. But as you can see here, this would have been the first point, the ideal optimal entry while risking this. For me, that kind of was already happening, so I just waited a little bit longer. I saw this initial rejection here, and then it did not take the high. So after a few more rejections and no continued bullish price movement, and seeing this shooter candle or doji, whatever candle you want to call it, this candle for me, I've just seen time and time again serves as the pivot for a triad or for when price would like to go lower. So entered on the close. This trade broke me even. It stopped me, like not stopped me out, but it hit the TP faster than I was able to move it to capitalize more on the move. So I just waited to see if another entry presented itself. Same thing kind of happened. Took another trade to hit my 1K profit target, and then from there, a habit of mine, I like to play with my profits. I was playing with profits here, but it started to not go my way, so I took profit really quickly. Glad I did. Otherwise, I would have got stopped out. When I'm playing with profits and I get stopped out, I tend to overtrade, try to make back, and that is not to say my Achilles, but that is what a lot of the time gets me in trouble with. So yeah, these were the three main trades that let me hit that profit target. From there, like I was saying, this account that I'm currently showing, max loss limit is 48,000. Apparently, I hit it, and this account is eligible. But it was still letting me trade, so I caught a few bangers to bring me back from being ineligible to 1,807. So I'm gonna reach out to Top Step, see if they can do something about that. If not, we ball, part of the game. But yeah, from there I just spent the rest of the day doing class, checking in occasionally, just hopping in trades to see if my system is working to how I know it to work or have seen it past. Just cool. And yeah, that was pretty much it. I just recorded this video and it didn't work, so this one is pretty fast. That's why I kind of just repeated myself. And but I do want to hold myself more accountable and begin documenting the journey. So thank you for talking with you, explaining what triads are in a video or a Zoom call, Discord call, whatever the case may be. But yeah, thank you for your time. Those were my